Do you know that your emotions actually can change your physical body? It's called epigenetics. So it's about the expression of emotions and feelings that you have. So if you have negative feelings, negative emotions, you're unhappy, you're frustrated, you're angry, you are unforgiving, all these things, it expresses a certain amount of chemicals in your body, and these chemicals activate negative genes in your body that causes all kinds of problems, cancer, diabetes, all kinds of things like that. And a lot of these emotional triggers that we have are based on emotional belief systems that we have within ourselves that we learned before we were 8 years old. When we were just children, we were programmed to react to certain things in certain ways, which cause a way of expressing itself. And we need to learn how to shut those things off. And the best way to do that is by changing the way you think and the way you feel. But it's difficult to do, but you can do it. So you want to change those things, because just like everybody has certain attitudes in a family, they all seem to get sick the same way. We need to change that in ourselves. And so how do we change that in ourselves? We need to change their emotion. We need to have positive emotions, and like love, happiness, joy, peace, kindness, all the things that the Bible says are fruits of the Spirit. So why do we need to do this thing? God knew how we were programmed. So he's telling us this thing because when we express those emotions and feel those emotions, we're releasing chemicals that are positive and life affirming and blessing to us. And it represses all the other negative stuff that's trying to activate. And we become positive and healthier and fitter, and we don't get sick. And so this is very important. It's called epigenetics. It's above genes. Even though you have the genes for something, doesn't mean that gene thing is going to activate. It only activates if it's in an environment that's positive for it to activate. So if it's a cancer, like, it's only going to activate if there's negative, if the chemical composition of your blood is accurate in order for it to do it. So we need to change that. How do we change that? Yes, we have environmental factors that we need to take in consideration. Yes, but it's emotional, mostly emotional. The way you feel is the way you are. So we need to learn how to change how we feel. We need to learn how to reprogram ourselves, because people from our past programmed us with not even knowing what they were doing and how to do it. So we need to learn how to do that. God bless. There's a way out.